Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard and thanks for tuning in into my channel. So before I start this video, I want to thank all of the subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I have like literally 7 more subscribers to go to reach 200. So please those who are watching this channel, do make it happen, because I obviously try a lot and give my best when I make my videos. So I am very thankful to all the people who have subscribed. So putting that to the side, right now the topic of today is going to be how to format an external drive, be it a SSD or a hard disk or even a USB drive like a pen drive on a MacBook or any other Mac PC for example. It is a very easy process, but obviously it is a bit complicated than a Windows PC. On a Windows PC you will just insert your drive, you go to my computer and over there you just go to the drive, right click, and there will be an option for format. But on a Mac it's a bit different, but I'll make it easier for you so that you all have no problem when you use a Mac or think of purchasing a new Mac. Before starting this video, I'll show you the basic information about my Mac. So I'll go to this Apple icon and click on about this Mac. As you can see, I am using the MacBook Air M1 2020, which is the 8GB one. This is the basic one with 256GB of storage, and this is on Mac OS Big Sur and the version is 11.3, so this is totally up to date. So the first thing that you already have to do is obviously insert an external drive. So as you can see over here, I have the SanDisk USB dual drive which has USB 3.1 and also USB-C. I bought this from Amazon, so you can check it out. I made a video on this USB drive on my channel. If you want to check it out, you can press the I button. First you have to insert this, then this SanDisk option will appear over here. So I'll double click it. And as you can see, there is nothing on this drive because I don't have anything on my drive right now. I am just showing you how to format it. So I'll show you the information of this drive. So you'll go to get info and you can see that this is on MS-DOS FAT32. This is a file format. So as you can see, so right now I'm going to show you how to format this drive to another format. So first of all, you have to go to Launchpad. So if I go to Launchpad, I'll click on other and this window will open. Over here you have to go to disk utility. So once I open disk utility, you will see that over here all your information regarding the external drives will be provided. So this is the Macintosh HD, which is the SSD or the storage which is inside my Mac, and over here it shows external. This shows all your external drives which are attached to the MacBook. So I have my SanDisk drive attached, so I'll click here and you will get the information about this drive. So this is a 32GB drive, and as you can see it shows MS-DOS FAT32. This is the format. In order to format your drive, you have to go to erase and you have to put a new name for this. For example, I'll put my name over here. You can put any name you want. Then you have to go to format. Now in format, as you can see, you have these formats. I will always suggest you to choose either MS-DOS, which is the FAT, or the XFAT. I will not suggest you use Mac OS Extended or Mac OS Extended case sensitive journal, because maybe other devices won't support this format. So I'll format from FAT to EXFAT. So I'll click on EXFAT and you just have to click on erase. If you click on erase, as you can see, Mac is formatting your disk drive and your erase process is complete. Click here, click done to continue. As easy as this, it is very easy. You don't have to put any effort, as I have already shown you. But one thing I'll suggest is you back up your data, because if you format, obviously everything in your hard disk drive will be deleted. You just click done. Then I'll close this window. I'll go to this Gerard. As you can see, from SanDisk it changed to Gerard. So if I go to Gerard, obviously there will be nothing here because the disk has been formatted. And now if I click it again, as you can see, if I go to get info, you can see that this has been formatted to XFAT. Before it was MS-DOS FAT, but now it has changed to XFAT, as you can see. So guys, this is the process. It is very simple and I know anyone can do it, and if anyone did not know how to do it, then I hope I helped that person so that in the future you will be able to do it on your own. So guys, that was my video for today. I hope you liked it and I provided some good information to you on my video. If you think like that, then please do subscribe to my channel. and don't forget to share this video to people who want to buy a Mac or who are getting accustomed to a Mac. So I guess this video will be very helpful for them, and I will provide more videos on MacBook and how to use a MacBook, various features on Mac OS and the devices and everything that I use. So if you are interested in all of those things, then I suggest you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It will help the video a lot to reach other people, and I will surely see you in my next video. Ciao.